I'll be a good girl again. Swear to God.
Is she?
Maybe this ain't the time to be bent on feeling her fun bags.
Is she?
Since you find the prospect of groping breasts intriguing, I'll let you touch mine as a reward for saving Meowie.
That fucking devil!
Oh my God!
What a tool! Snatching innocent cats! Well, that ain't happening on my watch! As a devil hunter, I say no! I'll murderize him.
Yo,
Straight kill the shit out of that asshole!
I feel so betrayed.
The stench of cigarettes. The smell of makeup and drugs.
What? What's
Now
wrong with
there's
makeup?
a pleasing aroma. Children's blood should wash out that foul taste.
Look here, Bat Devil. I brought you a human as promised. You've no reason to keep Meowie.
She's so naked.
Greetings, Blood Devil. Blood's precisely what I need. Lest you want to end all 9 lives of this cat, bring me a human being.
I sympathize with you now.
That bitch ate her cat.
Tis a dreadful feeling.
Aww. Don't tell me.
Terrible! All this nauseating blood!
What the fuck? He just swallowed her whole!
The inside of my mouth feels filthy. I shall trade some children and rinse it out. After I gargle, I'll have a virgin as an appetizer,
I did not
I
expect
think.
this to happen. What the fuck?
And then a large plump man for the main course, followed by a pregnant woman for dessert.
Cough up the tits! Those are mine!
You seriously drank my blood? Revolting! If I can't have yours, you certainly can't have mine! You're really a devil!
Yo, that was sick. Oh no, they're gonna get in so much trouble, bro.
Run, you idiot! This asshole's hungry!
What, bitch? What the fuck?
You let a perfectly good snack escape? What devil would do
Oh my
something
God.
like that?
The kind that'll slice into your gut! So I can touch me some food! I don't give a shit about this guy! Not blood!
Oh my God, what a fucking cat! Ew, did he just fucking prolapse his fucking mouth? Ew, bro, the dude just freaking prolapsed his mouth. That is disgusting.
I'm in dire need of healing. Shame your blood reeks of tobacco, but it'll do. Absurd! I want you dead!
I've gone through a whole lot of crap up till now.
Oh my god, his fingers!
Been patient as a freaking saint.
Holy shit! Yo, he just wants his titties! Give it to him!
Why haven't I got to cop a single damn thing?
Yo, he's just like me, for real, for real.